Now, there is a reasoning question. First is which one is more oxidizing, SbF5 or BiF5? And what will be the nature of Bi plus 5 ion? Now we know that down the group stability of plus 5 oxidation state decreases. So plus 5 oxidation state which is less stable, it will be converted to Bi plus 3 or plus 3 oxidation state. So for this it will gain 2 electron. It will gain 2 electron, and gain of electron is called reduction. Gain of electron is called reduction. So the nature of Bi plus 5 will be oxidizing. The nature of Bi plus 5 will be oxidizing. Now, then nitrogen exhibits plus 1 to plus 4 oxidation states also, along with minus 3 oxidation state. Plus 1 to plus 4 oxidation state disproportionates in acid solution. And what is disproportionation? The reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place in a single element only. Okay, we have studied this definition in class 11th. So plus 1 to plus 4 oxidation state of nitrogen undergoes disproportionation in acidic solution, like this. In this HNO2, the oxidation state is plus 4. Oxidation state is plus 3. And it is undergoing disproportionation here plus 5. So a single element is undergoing oxidation and reduction both. So it is a disproportionation reaction. Now the next question is NCl5 is not found but PCl5 is found. Why? NCl5 is not found but PCl5 is found. Why? The answer is it is due to availability of vacant d orbitals in phosphorus. The PCl5 is formed, but there is no d orbital available in nitrogen. So NCl5 is not formed. Anomalous properties of nitrogen. The nitrogen exhibits different properties than other elements of the group, known as anomalous properties. And the reason of anomalous properties is due to smaller size. First reason is this, due to smaller size of nitrogen, and the second property is due to more electronegativity. Now, what are the anomalous properties of nitrogen which are different from other elements of the group? The first is inert nature. Nitrogen is inert at room temperature due to formation of p-pi bond between nitrogen atoms. As we know that there are 3 bonds between 2 nitrogen atoms, hence it is less reactive at room temperature, and hence nitrogen is used to generate inert atmosphere. Second, nitrogen exists as gas. Nitrogen is the only element in the group which is in gaseous nature. See, it do not exhibit allotropes due to formation of p-pi bond. Phosphorus exhibits allotropes where nitrogen do not, due to formation of p-pi bond between nitrogen atoms. Now, first, reactivity towards hydrogen. When group 15 element is treated with hydrogen, ES3 type hydrides are formed, in which NH3, PS3, ASS3, SbS3, BiS3. This is reducing nature of, this is decreasing order of thermal stability. It means that ammonia is most stable and BiS3 is least stable. So BiS3 will be decomposed easily. Now NH3, PS3, AS3, SbS3, BiS3. This is reducing nature, increasing order. Why the reducing nature is increasing? Because BiS3 will be decomposed easily. It will release hydrogen easily, and removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Removal of hydrogen is called oxidation, so the nature will be reducing.